Hello everyone, welcome to tilottamahandloom.in. I am Chaitali. Today I am going to show you our pure silk sarees. This is our first pure silk sarees episode. All the sarees priced at 3550. If you like to purchase these sarees, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number 7890721706. I will give you the WhatsApp link in our description box. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. And if you like our sarees, please share with your friends and family. So let's start to see our sarees today. This is our first saree. The saree color is, base color is off white, and the both side border is the blue with the green color combination border. Both sides have the small border on it, and all over body with the leaf motif on it. Colorful, very colorful leaf motifs all over the body, look like this, going through like this. And this is the pallu. It's two colored pallu, two shades of green and blue. This is the pallu, and green is the blouse. It has the border with the blue in the blouse, and the blouse color is green. This is very beautiful and elegant color combination, very classy one. This saree price is 3550. This is pure Bushnupur silk. If you like to purchase this saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is our next saree. This saree color is also in off-white, and it has the lower side border, very beautiful border design. It's skirt border design all over the saree is the same. Upper side have the plain off-white colored with a small black border on it. It's upper side, and lower side you can see this motif going through all over the saree. The color going through with the black with the grey color combination. Very elegant one. This is the full look of the saree. It's pallu, black pallu and black blouse. And in blouse you can see the grey border on it. This is the blouse. And this is the saree look. This is pure Bishnupur silk, and the saree price is 3550. This is our next saree. It's a block printed silk, and the saree all over the saree, the black and white block printed on it. Very beautiful block. It all over going through the all over saree, the same block, and both side have the blue with the green color combination. Blue is a Firozi blue color. This is Firozi blue color, and the green is also very beautiful. This is the saree look. All over saree look like this, going through like this. And this is the pallu, two colored pallu, green with the blue. And this is the blouse. See, blue is the blouse, Firozi blue in the blouse. This is the saree look. It's very beautiful color combination. The silk quality is also very good. The saree price is 3550. It's next Bishnupur silk. This saree is also in off-white base and red with the orange border. It's zigzag border. Both sides have the zigzag border on it with the black piping design with the orange. It's and all over body have the flower motif with the with the red and orange color combination. This is the saree look. Very beautiful color combination. This is the saree look. It has a very beautiful block printed pallu also. This is the full pallu. This is the blouse. Orange is blouse. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp link is given below. In description box you can get the WhatsApp link, our website link also. You can directly purchase the sarees from our website also. It's www.tilottamahandloom.in. I will give you the website link in description box also. This saree price is 3500. This is in the next saree, next pure silk saree. It's Bishnupur silk saree, and it has a batik print on it. It's a batik, it's hand batik, and the very beautiful color combination, unusual shade of red. It's not too much bright, it's not too very bright, and the border it's look like this ornamental design. Both side border have this ornamental design on it. This is the saree. Look how it's going through all over the body, the same way it's look like this. Okay, and this is the pallu. It's very big peacock motif in the pallu. See, this is the pallu, very beautiful pallu. The main beauty of the part of the sari is its pallu, and the sari also looks very elegant. It has a crack design both sides, yellow part, and this is the blouse piece. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's www.tilottamahandloom.in, and you can find the silk in our silk categories. This is the pure silk sari. This sari price is 3,550. This is our next sari. The sari color is indigo blue. The very beautiful color. This is indigo blue and block print on it. It's a very ornamental design and very traditional design also in this silk sari. All over have the small buttas in white, and it has the zigzag border on it. I can give you the close look of the sari. See, this is the sari color and the block prints on it. It's very beautiful color combination, very elegant one. This is indigo blue colored sari. This is the sari look. All over the sari look like this, going through like this. This is the pallu. This is pallu. All over the pallu with the same zigzag motif and the ornamental design on it. And this is the blouse. It's plain blue colored blouse with a white zigzag block print on it for the hand design. This is the sari look. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot of this one. This is our next sari. It's very catchy combination. It's black with a golden yellow combination on it. It's half body. Upper half of the sari is in black. It's hand painted Bishnupur silk, pure Bishnupur silk with a hand painted design on it. The design you can see right now. This is a hand painted design. It's not block printed. It's hand painted. Okay. The sari, upper half of the sari is in black. This is black pallu. This is full black pallu. See the pallu design. And the next half of the sari is in yellow. With the blouse is also yellow. This is golden yellow blouse. And her next half of the sari is plain yellow. Okay. This is the sari look. After draping the black part, the second half of the sari is in yellow. This is the lower part of the sari. The yellow is the lower part of the sari, and the blouse is also in yellow. Okay. This hand painted Bishnupur silk sari price is 3,550. This is another very demanding design. We did it in Tassa silk, and we did it again in our pure silk sari. This is very demanding. Many of you are asking for this design in silk. So we are creating the design in silk also. This is color combination. The green, different shades of green and pink. Very vibrant color. This is all over body look like this. And this is the pallu, two colored pallu. And this is the contrast pink colored blouse. This sari price is also 3,550. All the saris are pure Bishnupur silk sari, and the sari price is 3,550. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. And if you like our saris, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for a regular notification. See, this is a very beautiful color combination of blue with a yellow and Firozi blue combination. It has a mix bag of block print and hand painted design on it. In the upper side, in the yoke portion, you can see the blue with a small flower motif, lotus motif block all over the blue colored area. This is the hand painted kalamkari design on the pallu. See, this is the full pallu. This is pallu design, and after the blue part, you can get the patli part in same design, same kalamkari hand painted design on it. This is the patli part. This is patli part, and full patli is look like this. I can open the full patli. This is the patli part, very beautiful one. This is a combine of hand painted and hand painting and block printing. This is pallu. This is also painted by in hand, and blouse is plain. Blouse is plain, and we are doing only the block print on it. I give you the close look of this one. This is the plain block printed design on the saree, and this saree price is 3,850. This is our another hand painted design saree. See, this is the pallu. It's pallu. It's another saree. It's pallu, and it's dual shade of hot pink and magenta. Hot pink and magenta. The saree is hand painted saree. It's look like this, and it's going through all over the saree. Look, after draping it look like this. After draping it look like this. It's hand painted Bishnupur silk. It's shaded design. You can see it's a shaded design in lower part, very beautiful. If you like the saree, just click on our website. The saree mannequin picture, model picture is there. You can see the saree picture is also there. The saree price is 3,550. If you like our sarees and like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. And please share with your friends and family. See, this is very elegant color combination. This is black and white color combination, and the block print also very elegant. This is Kolka motifs. Both sides have the Kolka motifs on it, and all over saree is black and white saree. The pallu is a small pallu. It's in black pallu. This is the pallu, and black is the blouse. This is the blouse. It's half and half saree. First half of the saree is in white. This is the first half of the saree, and second half of the saree is in black. This is the second half of the saree, and the Kolka motifs are in the skirt border. This is the second half of the saree. This is the saree look. The saree price is 3,550. If you like, please take a screenshot. This is the last saree of this episode. This is our last pure silk saree, Bishnupur pure silk saree, and there's the zigzag motifs all over the body. The color is divided into these color combinations are divided into the lower part, and upper half of the saree is in white with a black zigzag design. All over the saree going through look like this, and this is pallu. It's no other the different pallu, different design in pallu. The saree is going through the same way. The saree going through the same way. It has no particular different pallu. This is the pallu, and blouse is in red with a zigzag design on it. This is red colored blouse. This saree price is also 3,550. This is our last saree of this episode. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. And thank you so much for watching our video. And if you like our saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. Taking order wholesale basis also. If you have any query regarding wholesale, please contact us. The same number 7890721706. And there is no COD facility, no cash on delivery facility. All over India shipping is free, and payment option is bank transfer, otherwise Google Pay. Okay, that's all for today. Happy shopping with us. Bye bye.